Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a panel van, it's a short wheelbase, it's also a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 71 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Any faults are fixed using genuine Volkswagen approved parts. And now for a look around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. You'll also notice the front bumper on this van is a dark grey. It's also got two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but the system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that this van is fitted with 16-inch steel wheels with full VW wheel covers. The mirror and the door handles on this van are black. Also, the mirrors are heated. This would be a great advantage for cold winter months. To this side of the van, you will notice a manual sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice that the bulkhead has been deleted. As I move the video camera around, you will notice that the load area is clean and free from damage with VW factory fitting panelling. To the back of the Transporter, you will notice a tailgate with a heated rear screen and rear wash wipe. Across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. This Transporter is also fitted with standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice a rear Transporter badge and a VW emblem on the tailgate. Moving into the load area again, you could ask a member of the sales team for a quote on wood ply lining if you wanted to protect the rear panels. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. And here we have the inner tailgate. This van is painted in a special order paint, which is lime green. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. This Transporter is fitted with two comfortable seats in double grid cloth. Also, the driver's seat and the passenger seat have armrests for added comfort on long journeys. The two front seats are also swivel seats from factory. I have now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Here we have the headlight switch. Moving up to the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia controls. To this side, you'll notice cruise control. This van has 29 delivery miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, I'd like to show you that you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. You'll also notice an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with two USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here with a 12-volt socket. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This would allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, I'd like to show you it's fitted with a park distance control for your rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving down to the heater controls, I'd like to show you that it's fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here's the temperature control switch. This fan is also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a panel van. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 71 plate van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video walk around the van. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options on offer. And thank you for watching.